This time I would like to send you an urban legend line about Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. Its immense size and complex atmosphere, huge magnetic fields and so on have captured our imagination. As a result, Jupiter has many myths and legends since ancient times. And there are urban legends even in modern times. Urban legends about Jupiter. At the crossroads of science and mysticism, aliens and ancient civilizations, there are even theories about the secrets of the universe. Now I would like to introduce some representative urban legends related to Jupiter. There is a theory that the wooden large lime is an alien structure. One of the characteristic atmospheric phenomena of wood is large coal. This is a huge storm several times the size of Earth, observed for more than hundreds of years, but in urban legends concerning this, there is a widespread theory that Daisakihan is actually an alien structure, Shinbaosha and others, that this storm is an artificial structure. I believe some kind of spaceship or base is hidden in its center. Behind this theory there is the fact that large Sekihan continues to exist for a very long time, unusually long for a natural phenomenon. This stability depends on some artificial force. It created speculation that it might be working. Also, trees. Because the star itself is so far from Earth, it may be difficult to observe in detail. It is a factor that causes these imaginations. Scientifically, large lime is a huge high-pressure gauge that occurs in the wooden atmosphere, and previous research has partially elucidated its origin and persistence mechanism. Because it is still not fully understood, such mysteries are the basis for urban legends. Theory that life exists on Jupiter's moon Europa. Among Jupiter's many moons, Europa in particular is noted as the subject of urban legends. Europa responds to ice, has a broken surface. It is believed that there is a high possibility that liquid water like Earth's oceans exists beneath it. For this reason, the theory that extraterrestrial life exists on Europa has become widely believed. As exploration missions by NASA and other space agencies focus on Europa, attention has been drawn to the potential life possibilities this moon holds. But in some urban legends, Europa's underground world might host highly intelligent life forms. Life on Earth in some form? Try contact with. It is said to be watching. According to this theory, the icy crust of Europa acts as a shield to prevent interference from the outside world. It is believed that aliens continue to evolve beneath it. The possibility that Europani life exists? Seriously debated even by scientists. Currently, there is no evidence to support the existence of intelligent life. But this urban legend symbolizes our interest and hope in the unknown of the universe, especially as the Europattern divergence progresses. More speculation and legends may arise. The idea that Jupiter is the solar system's guardian. Another well-known urban legend is that the theory is that Jupiter is the guardian of the solar system, protecting the Earth and other planets from danger. Behind this idea there is the fact that it acts as a shield against the planet of the huge mass of wood and strong gravitational field type. Jupiter is. Its powerful gravity is thought to attract comets and asteroids flying from outside the solar system, reducing the chances of them hitting Earth. The reason for this theory to spread was state maker that collided with Jupiter in 1994. Levi Endurance observed it as Mercury. This collision caused Mercury just gets sucked into Jupiter? A massive explosion in this scenario. This event, if Jupiter didn't exist, these comets and asteroids would hit Earth, reinforce the view that it could have done catastrophic damage. This urban legend, Jupiter means, it is connected to people's belief that they are consciously protecting the solar system. Sometimes there is a tendency to deify Jupiter as the guardian of the universe. Of course, scientifically Jupiter's gravity only happens to play that role. The impact of Jupiter's presence on the other planets in the solar system is undoubtedly important. 4. The theory that Jupiter's orbit is manipulated by aliens. Jupiter's massive mass and powerful magnetic field, often creating urban legends that they are manipulated by aliens. According to this theory, Jupiter is not a natural planet. man-made structures installed by advanced heterosexual civilizations in ancient times. Its purpose is to maintain the balance of the solar system. Aliens use Jupiter. Fine-tuning the orbits of other planets? They say they are managing threats to the planet. Behind the spread of this theory is there are scientific mysteries about the orbit of Jupiter and the mysterious arrangement of its moons. For example, some of the moons of Jupiter have very strange orbits. Its origin is not fully understood. These unexplained phenomena, it is an element that supports conspiracy theories about Jupiter. Scientifically, Jupiter's orbit and the placement of its moons are explained as a result of gravity and celestial mechanics, but some people attribute this to aliens. It is interpreted as an operation, especially from an occult perspective that believes in the unknown forces that exist in the universe and the existence of. Urban legends like this make for an interesting subject. 5. The theory that Jupiter is a failed configuration. Jupiter has a very large mass. From the fact that it still could not be composed, there is an urban legend that Jupiter once failed to become the solar system's second sun. This theory is partly based on scientific fact. In a further enlarged interpretation, Jupiter should actually be another sun in the solar system, but it evolved into a conspiracy theory that it failed for some reason. Proponents of this theory, some anomalous phenomenon is going on inside Jupiter. Soon Jupiter reactivated. It claims that it will become a second sun by causing nuclear fusion like the sun. In addition, it depicts an apocalyptic scenario in which Earthlings live without knowing that Jupiter is a failed configuration, and that change suddenly brings disaster to Earth. Chemically, although wooden is certainly of great mass, dozens of times more mass is required to become a composition. Therefore, it is physically impossible for Jupiter to be formed in the future, but this urban legend is a reminder of people's admiration for Jupiter's size and mysterious nature. It can be said that it was born from a sense of anxiety. The notion of the failed composition of Jupiter, as part of modern urban legends and conspiracy theories, it represents anxiety about the forces of the unknown universe and the future. Summary: Jupiter, because of its huge appearance and mysterious nature, it has been the subject of many urban legends and conspiracy theories, from ancient mythology to the present day. There is a theory that Desekihan is an alien structure, the story of intelligent life in Europa's subterranean world. Belief that Jupiter, as the guardian of the solar system, protects the Earth from Mercury. Even the theory that aliens manipulate the orbit of Jupiter, such as the theory that Jupiter is a failed configuration, each is born at the intersection of scientific fact and human creativity. These urban legends are closely linked with modern scientific explorations and discoveries, and as Jupiter research progresses, a new urban legend could also be born. The urban legend of Jupiter. We have an evil climate miracle against the mysteries of the universe and the unknown. It's a reflection of a desire to unravel it. At the same time, these legends are about human psychology and against the invisible what if and respect create. It will continue to be passed down in the future. How did you like it? Thank you for subscribing to the channel.